Today we are going to show you how you can sort data alphabetically. Let's start. Here you can see that a column contains brand. We want to sort this data alphabetically based on brand column. For this we are selecting this. Then you can see that we are in the home tab. On the right side of the home tab there is an option sort and filtering. Click here. You can see top two option sort A to Z and sort Z to A. If you want to sort data alphabetically from A to Z, then select the first one. If you want to sort data alphabetically on the reverse order from Z to A, then you can select Z to A, means second option. We are selecting first option. Then expand the selection, then sort. Look, your data has been sorted alphabetically based on brand column.